It is 1:14 p.m. Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. I'm in the corner bakery restaurant, Hinsdale, and I just finished lunch. And that was a westbound intermodal Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway intermodal, probably coming from their Cicero intermodal terminal east of here, perhaps going to Seattle or Denver. And just to the left of the view, he was passing the Metra Hinsdale, Illinois station. Westbound Metra 1229 was due here at 1:11 p.m. Snowing, it's 35 degrees, predicted to be -9 degrees this evening, and 2 to 4 inches of snow are predicted. 1:15 p.m., Hinsdale, Illinois, Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. Corner Bakery, Metra, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, over and out.